What's going on, everybody? Simple back at it like I'm checking my height. Today we got Angelina Jordan back up on the channel. This one's called I'd Rather Go Blind. Listen, if you guys want to see your request through here as well, make sure you put them through the Google form down in the description below. If you also enjoy the reaction at any point in time, make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe. All right, let's check this out. I need me a pair of headphones like that. Anybody know what headphones those are? Those are probably Sony's, aren't they? Those are like the $300 Sony's. Never afford those. I wish.
Something told me it was alright when I saw you in her jacket.
Wow. Okay. So first off, I want to say this microphone is very different than the other mics she has sung into in her videos. This one is producing a lot more surround, and it could be just, I'm wondering if maybe it's panning or speakers in the room. Maybe there's an extra echo. I'm not entirely sure. It sounds pretty good though, honestly. Like, I feel like a lot of people would probably down on it, but for some reason it's not bothering me at all.
When I saw you in
It sounds like she's on stage.
Something deep down in my soul said, cry, girl.
Look at the mouth manipulations.
When I saw you and the girl walking around,
Let's go.
I would rather go blind, boy,
This girl's got too much soul. Let's
than
go.
to see you walk away from me, child. So you see, I love you so much that I don't want to watch you leave, baby. Most of all, I just don't wanna be free. I was just
That little bit of fry she's putting in her voice is awesome.
Have your kisses and your warm embrace.
Let's go.
When the reflection in that glass that I had on my lips now, baby, revealed the tears that was on my face. And baby, I'd rather go blind, boy, now.
Let's go. Oh my gosh. She's so good.
I would rather go blind, boy.
Let's go. All right, let me know what you guys thought about this one down in the comments below. Make sure you guys are checking out one of the other videos floating around. I appreciate every single one of you who made it this far into the video. I'll catch you on the next one.